Is water necessary to remove impurity?
Yes, purity requires water to remove impurity. If water is difficult to obtain, there is tayammum, which is the use of soil according to specific rules. Allah Almighty says, فَلَمْ تَجِدُوا مَاءً فَتَيَمَّمُوا صَعِيدًا طَيِّبًا.
What type of water can be used for purity?
Water that remains the same as its original creation. Pure water is indeed odorless, tasteless, and colorless. In this time, it's like tap water.
Is water from the sky pure and it can be purified with it?
Yes, water that descends from the sky like rain, melting snow, and hail is pure. The Quran says, وَأَنزَلْنَا مِنَ السَّمَاءِ مَاءً طَهُورًا.
Can we use water from rivers and wells for purity?
Yes, water flowing through the earth, like rivers, springs, wells, and seas, is pure. That the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said about the seawater, هو الطهور ماؤه. Seawater is pure and suitable for purification.
Can we use liquids other than water for purity?
No, purity cannot be achieved with liquids other than water. Liquids like vinegar, juice, and lemon cannot be used for purity.